So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about viral, fungal and protist diseases. So in short, to stay to the end of this video, as this is a very important topic for your biology exam. Also, at the end of this video, you'll get a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this topic. So there are lots of diseases caused by viruses, fungi and protists, but in this video we will limit this discussion to the most important ones you need to know for your biology exam. So you need to know about 3 viral diseases: measles, HIV and tobacco mosaic virus. So measles is spread by droplets from an infected person's cough or sneeze. People with measles will develop a red skin rash and they will show signs of fever. Measles can be very serious or even fatal in some cases. For instance, measles can lead to pneumonia or even a brain infection known as encephalitis. However, most people are vaccinated against measles when they are young. So HIV can be transmitted through sexual contact or when people exchange body fluid such as blood. At the early stage of infection, the virus can be countered with antiretroviral drugs. This stops the virus from replicating in the body. The virus attacks the immune cells, and when the immune system is now badly damaged, it can no longer cope with other infections or cancer. At this stage, it is known as AIDS. The tobacco mosaic virus is a virus that attacks many species of plants, example, tomato. It causes a mosaic pattern on the leaves of the plants that part of the leaves becomes discolored. This discoloration prevents the plants from carrying out photosynthesis, thereby retarding the growth of the plants. So we need to know about a fungal disease, and that is the rose black spot. So the rose black spot is a fungus that causes purple or black spots to develop on the leaves of rose plants. So further, the leaves can turn yellow and then fall off. This, however, means that less photosynthesis will occur in the plants, so the plants will not grow well. It spreads through the environment by water or by wind. It can be treated by using fungicides or by stripping the plants of its affected leaves. So the affected leaves are then destroyed so that the fungus does not spread to other rose plants. And then we also need to know about one disease caused by protists. And as you can rightly guess, that is malaria. So mosquitoes are vectors for these protists that cause malaria. They pick up these protists when they feed on infected animals. So anytime the mosquito feeds on another healthy animal, it infects it by inserting the protist into the animal's bloodstream. Malaria causes repeating episodes of fever, and it can be fatal. Well, the spread of malaria can be reduced by stopping mosquitoes from breeding. People can also be protected from mosquitoes by using insecticides or mosquito nets. Alright guys, so here is a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.